Hello friends, and welcome back to the vlog. Today's video is super exciting because we are continuing our GYSTing series, and we are going to be cleaning and organizing and decorating my car. David and I are going out of town very soon. It's actually going to be this weekend, so my car definitely needs to be cleaned and organized, and yeah, so we need to get on this video. Before we get into the video, I want to show you guys some of the things that I have bought. Everything that I bought is from Amazon, so if I can, I will be linking it below in case you guys need stuff for your car as well. I went for a very like pink and black kind of, you know, just girly vibe. So yeah, first things first, I have this like registration insurance holder, you know, something to put all of the like important papers that I need to keep in my car. Then I got this set of this like blinged out like super cute stuff. So like this is like the center console cover. We've got some cup holder inserts, a seatbelt strap, steering wheel cover, which may or might not fit, probably not, honestly. And then of course we've got a gear shift cover and some floor mats, which are really pretty as well, and have already been covered in dog hair because everything's covered in dog hair here. All right, other things that I've gotten are these little purse hooks for the back of the headrest. I have this screen cleaning mist that I saw on TikTok, and so of course I had to buy it. It's like it's this little spray, and it comes with this little cover, and you use the cover to actually wipe off your screens and everything. It is super satisfying. I have already tested it, of course. Then we have a little coin organizer for all of my loose change. My old car used to actually have one built in, but this one does not have one, so had to get our own. And then I bought these because an essential road trip stop is, of course, McDonald's or wherever, and if you're gonna have chicken nuggets or fries, man, you're gonna need a sauce caddy, which these are super cool. So I'm excited to use these. What else did I get? This is a little trunk organizer. It's got a bunch of pockets and stuff. And of course, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so you guys will definitely see as I put all this stuff together and everything. In this big box back here, we've got Stella trying to squeeze herself onto the couch. Okay. This was actually really nice. So like this came with its own like microfiber towel. And these are in between the seat little caddies. And they have like a cup holder and a place for your phone, and yeah, so I thought these were really nice. And then also in this package came some more of those seat clips to hang bags and stuff from. I got a new car tripod so that you guys can come along with us on all of our activities and things, and it will also be really handy for Halloween decor hunting. Then I got the dust cleaning gel, and if you are on TikTok, then you know exactly what this is. And then last but not least, I got a car cleaning kit with a bunch of stuff in it. It's got towels and little attachment pieces and all sorts of stuff, which we won't be able to utilize today because it's been raining hard, and honestly I don't even know when it's gonna be a good day to clean the car, but I'm gonna keep this in the car so that we can use it whenever we get a chance. There we go. So yeah, that is everything that I have gotten so far. I do like have a few more things on my Amazon list that I plan on purchasing, but I'm not gonna purchase them before our trip, so we might as well just get started. And of course, when those items come in, if I remember, I will try and update you guys and let you know what I got. So, but as far as I know, like everything that's left on the list is just like cutesy stuff, like air fresheners and all that sorts of stuff. So, all right, let us go clean the car, you guys. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys are gonna start fogging up. Probably are. Anyways, okay. I have a trash bag, my water, my phone for some tunes, and of course a hair tie. Ignore the outfit change. It's just too dang hot to wear a long sleeve out here. Okay, so my hair is now up and I'm gonna get to cleaning this disaster of a vehicle. Because the step number one, get the trash out. Hey guys, so it has been a few days since we were last tackling this project. Basically the short answer is just that our plans got changed, so there wasn't so much of a pressing need on getting the car cleaned, and we had to deal with the air conditioner and everything, and so yeah. Anyways, with that being said, it is now a few weeks later and we are finally going on vacation at the end of this week. So we do need to get the car ready, and yeah, so it is Sunday now and we are heading out on Friday. And so I spent a good portion this morning just finishing getting all the little bits out of the car and started vacuuming and stuff. And now David is currently going to the store to get me a new scrubby brush because there's some stains and stuff that I want to get tackled. You know, I want to get in there and get them as clean as I possibly can. Some, you know, melted chocolate stuff because of a few Andes mints got stuck in between the seat and the center console and they just kind of melted, and yeah. And then so yeah, today's plan is to really tackle the car, and we're gonna vacuum and get those stains taken out as best as we can. And then I want to start bringing in all of my new goodies. I'm gonna get the little sticky gel stuff, and we're gonna see how well that works to pick up like dust and stuff. And it's really dusty in there because we've been without AC in the car for a little bit, so we've been driving with the windows down, and there's pollen and all sorts of stuff that have just kind of flown into the car, so it's pretty dirty. So it should be a nice and satisfying video for you guys, and we're officially getting it started, because up until this point all that really got done was getting rid of trash, and there really wasn't a lot of trash in the car to begin with. So all right, with that, we're gonna head out and we're gonna get started on vacuuming some more and wait for David to bring back the scrubby brush. Oh, that's lovely. There we go. And it's already fogging up. How about now? Okay. Ooh. Okay. So, I went inside for a little bit, took a break, and now we're back out here. I have my Chom Chom to get some of this dog hair from the floorboards and stuff. Because it just honestly works so much better than the vacuum. I'm picking up the dog hair. Alright, I'm gonna do this and continue cleaning the car. Alright guys, so I have the like gel dusting stuff out, and we're gonna try and get in these like little crevices of the door tracks and see how well it does. I'm gonna try and film this for you guys as best as I can. Okay, from what I can tell, that worked okay. I think it will probably work better on the vents and stuff. But now I'm going to get in all of the crevices of the door with some vinegar and water, and a microfiber cloth. Just get everything cleaned back here, and then we'll move up to the front.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Okay you guys, so it is now the next day. I just got off of work and I ran out of light last night, so here we are again. Basically last night I was able to finish the floors and get the front seats cleaner. They're not clean by any means, but
I don't have an upholstery cleaner, so they're as good as I'm gonna be able to get them on my own. Anyways, today I have my vinegar spray and I'm wiping down the doors, which I did last night too, but I still see a lot of stuff, dirt and grime that needs to come off, at least on the driver's side. The other passenger side actually looks okay, but we're gonna do that. And then we're gonna get into the center console and everything, because that is the one area that I haven't touched really. I have some more dusting to do, and yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna get all the stuff that we bought and we're gonna make the car pretty, and that'll be the end of the video. So I'm gonna do this and I'll talk to you guys in a minute.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome, but try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Okay, so we have gotten most of everything cleaned up. So I am gonna start bringing out all of the goodies that we have. And I'm gonna keep this in here for now. I got one of these fancy car cleaning kits. And it's mostly for like outside cleaning, but it did come with a nice handy dandy air vent cleaner, which I am actually just gonna take out of here and keep it in the car as well. Something that wasn't in the haul earlier that came after was this visor piece. That has a little zipper compartment to hold like probably like paperwork and stuff or receipts, and then it's got some, you know, little bits, and you can do like a picture here. And then this is why I got it mainly, is because it has a little sunglass holder. Because my car doesn't really have a great sunglass holder. Like, I literally just pulled these out. I literally have been looking for these for months. I completely forgot they were in here. So yeah, I think that will be a definite upgrade for sure. But what I wanted to get out of here first was this car mount for you guys, because we need to figure out a filming situation. Like, ideally I would like you guys to stay where you're at, but I'm not sure if that's how this is gonna work or what. Okay, so okay, so that's how that goes. And then you have to attach the tripod base to the connector. So this is where you guys get screwed on, I think. Yes, no? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's not how you work. I wonder if you guys just fit on here. So ideally, if I can mount you guys right there, you guys will be perfect. But I don't know how you will stick to the... Okay, hold on. Attach the suction base to the surface where you want to install, then press the press button to solution of air. Yeah, okay. That's why I bought you. I bought this one specifically because it comes with an actual, like, sticker piece for it to attach to. So, let's see. Okay. I'm gonna move you guys for a second. And we'll see if we can get this situated. Okay. All right, I'm gonna see if I can get you guys on. Okay, so you guys are on, and I can adjust you to do the passenger seat if I'm over there. I am liking this. And there's enough room for me to see the viewfinder. I'm liking it. We will have to see how well this does, like, as we're actually driving, because I feel like it could be potentially a little shaky, but I'm not sure yet. So, that is done, and I actually like it, so I'm going to keep you guys there for now, and we're going to keep these little extra pieces along with the instructions in the little box that you guys came in. Like, yeah. Okay. So that is one little bit. The next thing I wanted to install were my little cup holder, my new cup holder pieces, because the old ones were a little gross. Okay. New cup holder pieces. Okay, and then we have our little insurance holder. So we're gonna pull out everything from the glove box and organize that stuff as best as we can anyways. Yeah, and the only thing I can't seem to locate right now is the trash can that I have for the car. Which I already had before, so I didn't buy a new one. That's probably why I'm having issues finding it, but yeah. So we have all of this paperwork that I feel like I really need to just go through, because it's from back when my grandmother owned this car. So anything that isn't the current copy of the insurance, which I think I have a new one right now. That I need to go print, probably. Yeah, this is the most current copy I have in here, and it's not the proper one, so we will be fixing that for sure. I should actually cut this, but I like to have the roadside assistance information on here. So we will just fold it up in a trifold and put this in here. Actually, yeah, we can do that. Okay. So there's that. We have the insurance. We have the registration information. And then I think that's good. Not sure what we'll put on the other side yet, but I like that. And then, of course, we have the books, which, again, I need to go through these, make sure we're only keeping what's needed in the car. So I'm going to take these inside, actually, and actually go through that information. So I'm going to do this, and I will talk to you guys in a minute. Okay, so we have our little visor piece up. I have these little seat, in between seat stuff, little inserts, which is a tight squeeze, if I'm being honest, for somebody with a booty like mine, but it'll be perfect for like David and stuff. And I'll just have to probably remove it while I'm driving. Or whichever side I'm sitting on. I just feel like they don't really fit that well right now. But, okay. I have this little seatbelt cover, little piece, but okay, we'll find a place for our garage door opener in here. Now we're gonna install these little sauce holders. Okay. What else do we got? Ooh, some spray. That can go back in the sink. Then we have our little change sorter, which I'm just going to put in the center console for now because I have thrown the change just everywhere at this point. Then we're also going to put our little duster guy in the center console as well. I have a little stress ball for whenever we're, you know, in traffic. And then there's a little pen slot on this visor holder thing. I just don't know if it will fit this particular pen and I'll be able to get it out. Yeah, okay. It will be tough, but it will stay. Okay. That's good. I feel good about that. We, of course, have to have some clear quartz in here. I do need to go get my driving crystals. I took a lot of them out. And this guy has lost most of its scent. But I have a new one. Which I thought was another like cinnamon pumpkin, but apparently it's not, which is interesting. But whatever. Well, that was rude. It just, maybe it's pink sands. I do like pink sands, so that'll be perfect for summer. And we'll have to go back and get fall scents. And we have a pair of scissors, which I am going to keep in this little side door area for now. And yeah, everything else I think needs to go inside, except for I have a little chapstick and a little utility Allen wrench guy, which I'm not really sure why I have this in here. It probably should go in the house. Or maybe in the trunk area with the rest of everything else. What's in here? Oh. There's the attachment for my camera piece to that old tripod that I used to use. Okay, so that is all of the fun bits minus our trunk organizer. I have these little clips for the back of the headrest. Maybe. There we go. Put one on the back of the passenger seat and one on the back of the driver's side as well. As best as I can, anyways. That might help. Yeah, that helped a lot, actually. Now we've got those. Okay, that is everything. Yeah. So I'm gonna adjust the seat real quick. Oh, no, it's not. I lied. I forgot about all this stuff down here. Yeah. I have another seatbelt cover and all sorts of stuff. So, this one's supposed to go on the e-brake. And this is supposed to go on the gear shift. But I'm not sure if that will work on mine. It will work if I do it this way. Because I have a front button. Yeah, I don't like that. I'm not going to use that. Let me see how this fits. Number one. Number two, if I like how it feels. Yeah, this isn't fitting very well. And we got some center console bling. My only problem with this is that I tend to rest my arm here a lot. I don't know. We'll try it for now. If it gets weird, I'll take it off. And then we have the seatbelt holder thingies. So we will be putting these on for sure. So yeah. All right. thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week with another video.